Hey there folks, here's a quick video of how to change this coolant return hose that goes to the crankcase in as sort of a T. It goes to the crankcase and then it goes back to the heater core or charge air cooler with water circuit. I don't know what it is, but the line starts at the top return line and then it gets connected here, and then there is a T on top of it. Now what happens is, with the mileage and heat soak and whatever not, this T gets broken. Whenever you're doing something, you remove this bracket, you push it down something, it breaks. Now it was broken for me yesterday, and what I did was I went to my AutoZone. People, especially I've seen it done with people who are running the blow-off valve and stuff. They use the same method but use brass T's and whatever not, but I'm changing it to the original OEM, if you know what I mean. So there is another piece right here. This piece is a plastic piece also that gets broken, it gets brittle because of heat. So what you need is the parts, and the parts are a bitch to find online, so I've got a picture. So this picture is 200 charge air cooler with water circuit, and this is the part 270. This is the part you need, and then there is another part that usually calls the crankcase breather. That's the nipple that goes on top of it right here. So the part numbers are here. This is 278 203 0417 for this piece. It's a new piece. So this is the T that gets broken off. One goes to the water circulator, one goes to the crankcase, and then this gets pushed in on top of here. So this is about it. You need coolant to top it off. It's easy to remove. You need a nose plier to get to the bottom, and if you're changing the plug like me, you need a Torx screw. I don't know, looks like a 18, maybe 20. I'll know. I'll put the specs down here once I'm doing it, and that's about it. So the part numbers again, for this one 278 203 0417 is for the vent line, and then the hose is 009 997 2972. So the bolt is a T30. Use a screwdriver to slip it in and pop it, and make sure the rubber seal is all right. Use a nose plier or any of those pliers to take off that clamp, and then it just comes right out. So I had to secure mine with a zip tie, the stuff that I jetty rigged. You can do that, you just use a brass T straight line to this hose. Alternatively, what you can do if you don't want to spend $78, use a bigger hose, get it to a brass T, and then this part would go to the plastic piece, and then the other part of the brass T would slip on the case. That'll save you a bunch of money. I prefer OEM. And that's about it. I'll install this part in the reverse order, and that's all you need to know. Thank you much. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to the other videos on my channel.